If you own and use Fun60 for rhythm games and think the Switch is too heavy for you, you should try this. This is Gateron Jade. Compared to the factory switches the Fun60 use, there is a difference of 10 grams, and for rhythm games, that number is enough to make you out of breath if you are not used to high actuation forces. To prove whether this switch is lighter, I did a test for a few weeks and the results were as expected. I have cleared many songs, but the most notable ones are Power of the Wilderness, You, and Chinese Restaurant. All three of these maps are difficult. Now let's look at the stats. Overall, the stats are equally impressive, but there is one difference: stamina. What I can say is that you can never go wrong with this upgrade in games that require a lot of stamina.